Did you know? Donald Trump inherited a whopping $413 million from his father's real estate empire. That sounds like a dream start, right? But what if I told you that this inheritance was just the beginning of a story filled with high-stakes gambles, crushing setbacks, and triumphant comebacks? Most of us picture wealth as private jets and glittering skyscrapers, but Trump's journey was far more complex and controversial. Love him or hate him, Donald Trump's financial journey is a masterclass in ambition, branding, and resilience. Today, we'll uncover how he built his empire, the lessons his successes and failures teach us, and the legacy of his larger-than-life persona. Let's dive in and discover the man behind the brand, the roots of wealth. Fred Trump's empire. Donald Trump wasn't born into an ordinary family. He was born into the Trump dynasty, where ambition and business acumen were part of the family DNA. His father, Fred Trump, was a real estate genius, building thousands of homes in Queens and Brooklyn during the 1940s and 1950s. Fred didn't just build houses, he built an empire. Using federal housing programs and tax incentives, Fred created a model that turned construction into a scalable, profitable business. From an early age, Donald was immersed in this world. As a teenager, he accompanied his father to construction sites, watching deals unfold and learning the value of hard work and strategy. These early experiences were crucial in shaping Donald's approach to business. Fred was known for his attention to detail and cost management, qualities that he instilled in Donald. But Donald wasn't content to play second fiddle in his father's suburban empire. He dreamed of Manhattan's glittering skyline, a place where only the boldest business minds dared to play. Fred's legacy wasn't just financial, it was a mindset. He taught Donald the importance of seizing opportunities, thinking big, and, most importantly, never backing down from a challenge. These lessons would guide Donald as he took his first steps into the business world. The first big leap, the Commodore Hotel. When Donald officially took over the family business in the 1970s, he was eager to prove himself. His first major project, the Commodore Hotel, a rundown property near Grand Central Station. Where others saw failure, Trump saw opportunity. But this wasn't an easy deal. The hotel was losing money, and the city of New York was in a financial crisis. Donald's solution was bold. He negotiated a 40-year tax abatement with the city, saving millions of dollars, and partnered with Hyatt Hotels to fund the renovation. It was a high-stakes gamble, but when the Grand Hyatt New York reopened, it was an instant success. The once crumbling building became a beacon of luxury, and Trump's name was forever tied to Manhattan's high society. The Commodore Hotel project was more than just a financial victory, it was a branding masterstroke. Trump made sure his name was prominently associated with the hotel's success, setting the stage for his future ventures. This project taught Donald a valuable lesson: control the narrative. By positioning himself as the mastermind behind the transformation, he created the perception of unstoppable ambition, a reputation that would follow him for decades. Trump didn't just transform the Commodore Hotel, he reshaped New York City's approach to urban renewal. By leveraging tax incentives and public-private partnerships, he pioneered a model that many developers would later emulate. His vision went beyond profit. It was about creating landmarks that would stand the test of time. Trump Tower, a symbol of power. In 1983, Trump completed his crown jewel, Trump Tower. Located on Fifth Avenue, this 58-story skyscraper wasn't just a building, it was a declaration. With its shimmering gold exterior, floor-to-ceiling marble interiors, and even a waterfall in the lobby, Trump Tower redefined luxury in New York City. Trump didn't just build a skyscraper, he built a brand. The building became a cultural icon, attracting celebrities, royalty, and CEOs. Michael Jackson lived there. Luxury brands opened flagship stores. Trump Tower wasn't just a piece of real estate, it was an experience. The media buzz surrounding its opening catapulted Donald into the spotlight, cementing his status as a household name. But Trump Tower's success wasn't just about its physical structure. It represented the birth of Donald Trump as a global brand. By aligning his name with opulence and exclusivity, Trump created a legacy that extended far beyond bricks and mortar. It was the ultimate showcase of his philosophy: perception equals power. Behind the scenes, the creation of Trump Tower was a testament to Trump's tenacity. Negotiating air rights, overcoming zoning challenges, and securing financing during a period of economic uncertainty required relentless determination. The result was not just a building, but a symbol of what Trump stood for: boldness, ambition, and the pursuit of excellence. The branding genius: licensing the Trump name. By the late 1980s, Donald Trump realized that his name wasn't just a signature, it was a goldmine. While most developers focused on building properties, Trump began licensing his name to projects he didn't even own. From hotels to golf courses to bottled water, the Trump name became synonymous with wealth and status. This strategy allowed Trump to scale his influence without the financial risk of ownership. Developers around the world paid millions just to use the Trump name on their buildings. By 2016, Forbes estimated that Trump earned $80 million annually from licensing alone. Trump's branding success wasn't just about products, it was about selling a lifestyle. Whether it was a hotel suite or a bottle of Trump-branded wine, the name promised success, luxury, and exclusivity. This ability to monetize his brand turned Donald into one of the most recognizable business figures in the world. Licensing also allowed Trump to expand his reach globally. From skyscrapers in Dubai to luxury residences in India, the Trump brand became a symbol of aspiration. It was less about the physical properties and more about the idea of success that the name represented: the casino gamble, triumph, and turmoil. In the 1980s, Trump ventured into Atlantic City, building a casino empire that included the extravagant Trump Taj Mahal, dubbed the eighth wonder of the world. For a while, the casinos were a hit, attracting high rollers and tourists. But behind the glitz was a mountain of debt. By the early 1990s, Trump's casino empire began to crumble. Over-leveraged and facing stiff competition, Trump was forced to declare bankruptcy 4 times. For most people, this would have been the end. But for Donald, it was just another chapter. Trump used the bankruptcies to renegotiate his debts and pivot back to what he did best: branding and reinvention. The casinos may have failed, but Trump's ability to adapt kept him in the game. The Taj Mahal became a cautionary tale of overreach, but it also highlighted Trump's resilience. What made these failures notable was Trump's knack for turning negative press into opportunities. Despite the financial setbacks, he remained in the public eye, leveraging his personality and media presence to stay relevant. The Apprentice, a new kind of fame. In 2004, Trump made a bold move into reality television with The Apprentice. The show wasn't just a hit, it was a phenomenon. Millions tuned in each week to watch Trump's dramatic boardroom decisions and hear his signature line, "You're fired." The Apprentice wasn't just entertainment, it was a marketing masterstroke. Trump used the show to promote his properties, books, and products, turning his business empire into a pop culture sensation. The show also introduced Trump to a new generation, rebranding him as a larger-than-life business mogul. It wasn't just a TV show, it was a tool to amplify his brand. Through The Apprentice, Trump demonstrated the power of media in shaping public perception. It wasn't just about showcasing his success, it was about inspiring millions to see him as the ultimate businessman. This venture solidified Trump's position as a cultural icon. Controversies and resilience. No story about Donald Trump is complete without its controversies. From lawsuits over fraud at Trump University to allegations about his tax returns, Trump has faced relentless scrutiny. Critics argue that his wealth is built on privilege and exploitation, while supporters see him as a self-made symbol of ambition. Despite these challenges, Trump's ability to navigate adversity is undeniable. Whether through media manipulation, strategic pivots, or sheer charisma, he has consistently turned obstacles into opportunities. This resilience is perhaps his most defining trait: the ability to adapt, survive, and thrive under pressure. Trump's controversies also highlight the complexity of his persona. While some view him as a symbol of success, others see him as a figure of excess and hubris. This duality is part of what makes his story so captivating. Lessons from Trump's success. Donald Trump's financial journey is as complex as it is fascinating. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Branding is power. A strong personal brand can open doors and create value beyond traditional business. 2. Take calculated risks. Bold moves often lead to the biggest payoffs, but they require strategy and persistence. 3. Resilience matters. Success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about bouncing back stronger. Donald Trump's story isn't just about wealth. It's about reinvention, ambition, and the power of perception. Whether you admire him or critique him, his journey offers lessons on navigating the highs and lows of success. What do you think of Trump's financial legacy? Is it a blueprint for ambition or a reflection of privilege? Let us know in the comments. We'll leave you with one of Donald Trump's most iconic quotes. Sometimes by losing a battle, you find a new way to win the war. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the stories behind the world's wealthiest and most ambitious individuals. See you in the next video.